Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can limit responses in Google Form. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Google Form and I'm going to limit responses for this Google Form. If we want to limit responses, we have to download email notification for Google Form. You can search for the email notifications for Google Form and you have to go to this website. And after that, you're going to install an email notification. You just need to click on install. And since I have installed this email notification, so here is the uninstall button. And after we have installed the email notification, we can go back to our Google Form and then the symbol will appear on our Google Form. This is for the add-on symbol. You just need to click on this symbol or this icon. Then you can click on email notification for Google Forms. Okay, and select open up. Okay, and just wait for a moment guys. Wait, it's still loading. Okay, and you are going to click on the options, and since we want to limit form responses, we can select this one. Okay, and you have to click on this checkbox, enable form limiter. Okay, and here you will be able to customize when you want to open the Google Form and when you want to close the Google Form. You can enter the start time and end time. It's up to you. And you can also add the number of responses. And I'm just going to add, for instance, 20. Okay, and for the start date, I'm not gonna limit it. I'm just going to add closed form message. You can add the closed form message according to your need. I'm just going to add, sorry, we are no longer accepting responses. Just like that. And then you can also check on this option, but you can skip it. And then I'm just going to click on save and continue. Alright guys, and that's all the way to limit responses for Google Forms. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.